Meet Francis and Nasreen. These are the proud parents of the quadruplets that were born at the civil hospital in Karachi last week. However, the father Francis, who is the sole bread earner in the family, makes a mere 6,000 rupees a month. With the current inflation rate, it is almost impossible for these parents to raise one child, let alone 4. But luckily for them, the government has taken notice of the issue after it was highlighted by the media and have come to their rescue.
आप लोग ने ये किया मेरे लिए।
सबसे पहले तो मैं डॉन न्यूज़ वालों का शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा और जिन्होंने मेरे लिए ये इतना कुछ करवाया।
Fortunately for these parents, the children now have the chance to lead a decent life. However, there are several mothers in the same ward whose husbands earn between 1,000 and 6,000 rupees a month.
जैसे मतलब 8 बच्चे, उनके आंख का भी मसला है, आंख भी
5-6 बच्चा आएगा और घर वैसे अपना नहीं है। हमारे मियाँ दर्जी का काम करते हैं, रोज़ मजदूरी करते हैं इसे रोज़ की। जो भाई अगर 200 भी 250 भी।
मेरे मियाँ वेल्डिंग का काम करते हैं। आमदनी जो होती है वो किराए के घर में चली जाती है, किराए की दुकान है उनकी।
मेरे शौहर की सिर्फ 6,000 सैलरी है, तो कम पड़ती है, इलाज के लिए भी पैसे नहीं है।
Visiting the parents at the civil hospital, MD Baitul Mal Zamurud Khan has pledged a monthly stipend worth rupees 5,000 and a job for the father of the quadruplets. However, he admitted that the organization does not have a proper mechanism to identify such cases.
डॉन न्यूज़ का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं कि आपने मुझे एक अजीम काम की तरफ मुतवज्जो किया। जो पाकिस्तान बैतुल माल पे जिनका राइट है उन तक पहुंचूं, लेकिन फिर भी मैं समझता हूं कि मेरी कोताही में उन तक नहीं पहुंच सकता।
Now, despite the fact that a family planning program was introduced soon after partition, it has been unsuccessful for a number of different reasons. One of them is that certain elements of our society do not believe in family planning. While media has provided a measure of relief to Francis and Nasreen by highlighting their issue, there are many more out there who are yet to be identified and are seeking help. Sitwat Raza Khan, Dawn News, Karachi.